Hi students, today we will discuss the grammar topic note making. In second year English, note making, the topic is note making. What is the meaning of note making? What is the meaning of note making? See here the topic. Note making means making notes. Note making is nothing but making notes. Making notes. So here in the textbook, note making refers to the process of selecting important points from an article. The examination, he will give one passage and you read that passage thoroughly and quickly and silently. Then process of selecting important points from the given passage. Selecting important points from the given passage. See here, refer to the process of selecting important points from an article. Article means passage. From the given passage, you are selecting important points and assembling them in a way that is easy to comprehend and remember. Arrange the points. You are easy to understand and easy to remember. The notes prepared containing all the key points. In note making, the notes prepared containing all the key points. You select all the important points from the passage. Important points from the passage. Notes can be made for various chapters in the curriculum too. Such notes are particularly useful before the examinations. If you prepare the notes, that will be useful before the examination. You read the examination. Before the examination, you refer to that notes. A glance at the notes helps the students to recall what is important in the chapter and he can quickly move on to another chapter. The notes helps the student, especially these notes help the students to recall, to remind, to recall whatever is important in the chapter. In that chapter or in that passage, what is important, you remember, you recall once again. He can quickly move on to another chapter. You can quickly move on to one chapter to another chapter. Note making is a skill that should be developed by all the students. Here, note making is a skill, that means reading skill, that should be developed by all the students. All the students must develop note making. That is an important skill. Remember, as it can learning less cumbersome, one can intelligently cover a lot of material in a short time with the using note making. One can intelligently cover a lot of material in a short time. Within a short time, you will intelligently cover, cleverly cover a lot of material in a short time. Within a short period, you can cover a lot of material. Students jot down points during lectures too. Students, you are also jot down, means write down some points when your lecturer is saying lesson. You also jot down some important points. They listen to the teacher and try to keep pace as she reels off various details pertaining to a topic. Some important or some are not. You are listening to a lecture. Some important points are there or some are not important. The students takes down whatever he or she feels is important. Which is important? The students make notes. Such an activity is referred to as note taking. That is called note taking. That is called note taking. The student takes down whatever feel is important. That is note taking. And opposite to note making. Preparing notes while a lecture is being given in the class can be more cumbersome than preparing notes from printed material. Here, especially in that case of a printed article, a student can take his time, repeatedly read sections if he wishes to, and also read different sections in the order in which he chooses. Here, when we pick up a newspaper, we do not read each and every line in all the columns of each page. When you are reading a newspaper, you don't read in each page and each line. We read the headlines, glance through the headlines of the columns, and read only the news that interests us. Which news is very important that we read in newspaper. We don't read thoroughly. We don't read all pages. We don't read all lines in the newspaper. Only important headlines are we read. If we can practice reading a large chunks of material quickly and get an idea of what the main ideas of the passage are, we would be able to improve our reading skills. With note making, we develop reading skill. We'll develop reading skill, and consequently our note making skills too. Here in this note making, skimming and scanning refer to the process of reading only main ideas within a passage to get an overall ideas of the contents. In note making, we have two ways, skimming and scanning, two reading techniques in this note making topic. In this topic, we have two techniques, two reading skills. Skimming and scanning are two ways we usually follow. When you are making notes, you should follow two ways, two techniques. These two techniques are skimming and scanning. Two important techniques in this topic. Skimming and scanning are two ways we usually follow. మనం తప్పకుండా అనుసరించవలసినవి ఈ నోట్ మేకింగ్ మీరు తయారు చేసేటప్పుడు స్కిమ్మింగ్ అండ్ స్కానింగ్ అనే రెండు టెక్నిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Let us see what is skimming first. Skimming refers to the process of reading only main ideas within a passage to get an overall idea of the contents. Skimming refers to the process of reading only main ideas within the passage. Skimming technique refers to the reading technique. This refers to only main ideas within the passage to get an overall idea of the contents. To get an overall idea of the contents. Skimming means దీని ఒకసారి నువ్వు ప్యాసేజ్ మొత్తం చదివితే ఓవరాల్ ఐడియా వస్తుంది నీకు. అది రావడాన్ని స్కిమ్మింగ్ అంటుంది ఇక్కడ. ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ యూ విల్ గివ్ వన్ ప్యాసేజ్. యూ రీడ్ దట్ ప్యాసేజ్ విత్ స్కిమ్మింగ్ టెక్నిక్. ఈ స్కిమ్మింగ్ అనే టెక్నిక్తో నా ప్యాసేజ్ రీడ్ చేస్తే మొత్తం ఓవరాల్ ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది నీకు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ప్యాసేజ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్యాసేజ్, ఆ ప్యాసేజ్లో ఏముంది అని చెప్పేది స్కిమ్మింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్ అనదర్ టెక్నిక్, స్కానింగ్. Another technique is scanning. Scanning is a reading technique. It is also reading technique used when we want to find specific information quickly. With the scanning technique, when we want to find specific information in that passage, with the use of scanning, we find specific information quickly. యూజింగ్ దిస్ స్కానింగ్. ఈ స్కానింగ్ ద్వారా మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఏం కనుక్కుంటామంటే ప్యాసేజ్లో స్పెసిఫిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ స్పెషల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దట్ ప్యాసేజ్లో స్పెసిఫిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉండడం అనేది కనుక్కుంటాము స్కానింగ్ ద్వారా. ఓవరాల్ ఐడియా దేని ద్వారా వస్తుంది? స్కిమ్మింగ్ రెఫర్స్ టు. దీస్ టూ టెక్నిక్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ నోట్ మేకింగ్. నోట్ మేకింగ్ అనే టాపిక్లో ఈ రెండు టెక్నిక్స్ వాడతాము. ఇవి మన గ్రామర్ పరంగా వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ skills skimming and scanning. See here more details about skimming. Skimming lo more details చూద్దాం. Skimming means here the steps in skimmings are skimmings లో ఉన్న steps ఏంటంటే read the title first given passage, read the introduction, read the first sentence of all other paragraphs, read any headlines and subheadings, read any headings and subheadings. Next, observe any pictures, charts or graphs, observe any italicized or bold face words or phrases, read the last paragraph. These are few important steps in skimmings are. Skimming lo unnatundi techniques. Read the title first, second read the introduction, third read the first sentence of all other paragraphs, fourth read any headings and subheadings, fifth observe any pictures and charts and graphs, sixth observe any italicized or bold face words and phrases, seventh read the last paragraph. This is about skimming. Now see scanning. Scanning, the steps in scanning include, scanning lo unna steps entuvante, first one specify clearly what information you are looking for. Second, try to anticipate how the answer will appear and what clues may help you to locate the answer. For instance, if you are looking for a date, keep a watch for figures. Third, use headings to help you identify which sections may contain all information you are looking for. These are scanning. Next, fourth one, selectively read and skip other sections of the passage. Here overall in scanning, with the use of scanning, we find specific information using skimming to get an overall idea of the contents. Notes may be written in the form of points, clearly written the headings and subheadings, add clarity and make the notes intelligible at a glance. Sometimes when we making notes, diagrams such as pie charts, bar graphs may come in handy. కొన్నిసార్లు మనం ఇట్లా నోట్స్ తయారు చేయకుండా ఈ నోట్ మేకింగ్లో డయాగ్రామ్స్ ద్వారా కూడా మనం రాయొచ్చు. పై చార్ట్స్ అండ్ బార్ గ్రాఫ్ ద్వారా కూడా చూపించవచ్చు. స్పైడర్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అండ్ మైండ్ మ్యాప్స్ ఆర్ రేడియల్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అండ్ అన్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వే టు మేక్ నోట్స్. ఈ నోట్ మేకింగ్లో స్పైడర్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ వాడచ్చు అండ్ మైండ్ మ్యాప్స్ కూడా వాడచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ note making. Now we will continue this topic next video. Thank you.